All right, so we're gonna make this really, really simple chicken today in a cream sauce. We've got tomatoes, onions, garlic, oregano, and of course some cream and some beautiful chicken. It doesn't take long at all, and it's delicious. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So here we've got chicken. I've got 1 kg of chicken, that's 2.2 pounds. Skin is on, bone is in. It's quite chunky cut as well, different parts, you know. Here I've got 3 cups of fresh tomatoes, which I've stuck them into my food processor. Now, a couple of things. If you don't have a food processor, just cut them really small, your tomatoes. And if you want, you can use a can of tomatoes. Not quite the same, but you can do it. 1 cup of cream. This is a single or a runny cream. It doesn't matter what cream you use, thick or thin. 3 teaspoons of oregano, 1 tablespoon of garlic, and 1 cup of onion. I'm using a red onion there. Let's get moving. We might add a few little other bits. Okay, so I'm using my trusty wok type pan. You need a big skillet or a saucepan. In there, I've got 4 tablespoons of olive oil. The heat's on, medium. What we're gonna do is we're gonna drop all of our chicken in. And you can see these are quite sort of chunky parts that I've cut. And we're gonna go for about 6 or 7 minutes, medium heat, just gently cooking this chicken, getting it on its way. Fabulous, got a nice bit of colour on there, and the chicken's well on its way. Now if you want, get a little bit of celery in there, could work nicely, or you can get some potatoes in this if you wanted. If you're gonna do that, probably get them in now. Right, let's get salt. Let's get black pepper. Let's get that 1 cup of onion. That's actually just like 1 decent sized onion there. And the tablespoon of garlic. And we're going to continue for about another 5 minutes or so. Just stirring this around, getting those onions cooked down nicely. Super fab. Okay, tomato time. Like I say, I'm using fresh tomatoes, and if you can, it makes a massive difference, but if you cannot, you can go for a can. 3 cups worth of cut really small tomatoes. Let's get that dried oregano in, or oregano as so many of you say. Now we need to really cook these tomatoes out, so we're going to go for about 7 or 8 minutes now. Give it a stir every now and then. Those tomatoes are cooked down beautifully. Now it's time for the cream. I've got 1 cup here of cream, a single runny cream. Like I say, you can use a thick cream or a single cream like this. Beautiful stuff. Now I'm going to just put in a little bit of Parmesan cheese, optional. Maybe a couple of tablespoons. And then we're going to go for another 5 to 6 minutes. And I think we've done it. Look at that, lovely stuff. That's delicious. Okay, off goes the heat. One more thing, look. I've got some chopped parsley here, or maybe some fresh basil, or basil. Would be really nice. Job done, fantastic stuff. Well done, everyone. And that's beautiful, really lovely. You can serve that with some pasta. That's nice with some spaghetti or penne, something like that. Really, really delicious. Hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe, keep well. Please do take time to send me a comment. I do read all your comments, and I really do try to get back to all of you. Subscribe and hit the bell icon for notifications. That would be amazing. You take care. Lots of love.